Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. Today I am going to unbox South Asia's most popular Islamic student organization, Bangladesh Islami Chhatra Shibir's publications materials in front of you. So let's see what waiting for us. First of all, this is yearly calendar and we call it 3 pages calendar. So this year they illustrate technological things in this 3 pages calendar. So let's see what waiting for us more. And this is so much cute pocket diary. So before some days, Bangladesh Parliament's women MP, she took this with her and she captured a photo from Parliament and it got viral. So maybe you know this style. And this is medium diary. We take it for mini notes and we take it in our desk. And finally, this is most beautiful diary with Bangladesh's flag and monogram. So this year's diary is amazing from previous year's diary, and in this diary there have some contact number and maps and some information and some popular quotes. So overall amazing publication. So this is yearly publications, pocket diary, mini diary and big diary. So this fantastic diary from Bangladesh Islami Chhatra Shibir